guys, Big Stuff here. Welcome to another V.2.5 version 2.5 firmware update video. So in this video, we're just going to be going over how many more parameters you can choose from here on your accesses, okay? If you have older software, if you were to go to custom, or it may say generic depending on your software, the custom section, and choose the PWMX parameters, okay? You're going to have a X-axis data source pull-down menu. Well, there were only a few things here in previous versions, okay? So, for example, engine RPM, throttle position, the race timer, boost, okay? Well, we've added basically every input into the system now. So now the turbo back pressure, pan vac, transmission line pressure, all of these remote sensors now are all allowed to be used as an X-axis data source, okay? Or any other vertical axes, okay? There is digital inputs here coming in, the ETM torque stage. We also have, for future versions, the expansion modules. So now you can look at the expansion digital inputs, expansion analog outputs as well as our weather station data. So there's just a lot more that you can choose from here on our data sources for the X and Y axes. And obviously, if I was to choose a 2D table here, well, now I can use all of these different inputs to create a 2D table as well. This 2D table, if I was to create that, okay, was now PWM03. If I go over to custom and I go here to PWM03, you'll now see that I now have the transmission line pressure as my vertical axis here, and the TPS is now my bottom axis down here, okay? So way more inputs to work from. That happens anywhere you have the pull downs, not just in the PWMs. So for example, if I was to go to my fuel settings, fuel modifier selection, and I wanted to create a custom 1D fuel curve 1, well, again, now all those same inputs are now all available for use for creating that custom fuel curve. So anywhere you have a pull down menu, we have added all this extra input to be available to be used. Again, only with version 2.5, you'll have to upgrade the firmware in order to get all those inputs. If you go look at your current version, you'll see that you pretty much stop right about here for the engine acceleration, and then basically everything below that is all brand new for this update. So everything here is all brand new as far as inputs go to be able to work from on the X-axis or Y-axis. If you have any questions, please reach out to our website, www.bigstufftpm.com. Send us an email at support@bigstufftpm.com, or send us a message on Facebook or Instagram. We'll get back to you. Thank you.